Hey guys, so I'm just going to take you through a little tour of Canada platforms. The app is about to be released. As you can see, it's right here. It'll load up and everything. Here's a little post, and this is the feed section. You got our little notifications. You got our direct messages here. And here's our Explore page. So this currently does not have an algorithm, but that will be added at some point. We're sticking with no algorithm for now. Posts are in order. You can search for like Calgary or whatever. Posts about Calgary come up. Hashtag Calgary. You can chat to our chatbot. Ask your question like how many people live in Ontario, and it will answer that question. It's a large language model. This is the post right here. You can upload up to 10 photos, use a caption, and tag a location. So say you wanted to search Quebec City. You could search Quebec City and you could tag that location. And then if you were to tag, that would pop up in the travel section. So say let's go to Calgary again, go to profile, and then tagged posts, and you can see people have posted some stuff here. And we encourage you to follow your city. So then, of course, we have the maps section, which can be accessed through the profile as well. The weather and the prices. So the prices are just very basic right now. Average prices in the city. You can check out real-time weather, 7-day forecast, 24-hour forecast, and then go to maps, and you can see almost every single city in the nation will be added. Like, we're going to add every single city in the nation. We'll make these pins a bit smaller because the map's getting a bit overcrowded right now. But yeah, I can show you. You can click on this and it will go to the profile. But anyways, if we search, we can go to Vancouver. And yeah, so this will lead to, it shows the nearby cities. So within that province. So here's British Columbia, for example, which is fully done, by the way. British Columbia has every single city added to it. The territories have almost every single city added to it. We're working on Alberta pretty quickly. We're trying to work on Saskatchewan and Manitoba. Ontario is about over halfway done. Quebec is going to be very difficult because there's over 1,000 cities in Quebec. So we'll get Quebec done. Nova Scotia and PEI are all done. So that just leaves us New Brunswick and Newfoundland, and we're doing those quickly too. These yellow dots are rural municipalities. So they're a different type of city, and it's just a designated city type. Like, as you can see, there's no urban areas within the rural municipalities. So those will be added for Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and then Prince Edward Island will also get those as well. So if we go to Charlottetown, we can see they will load in a bit slower in Prince Edward Island because we did some specific thing because there was a lot of rural areas that needed, they're called centroids basically, and it puts a pin on the central location of the urban boundary. So as you can see, all the pins are popping up slowly, and as you can see there, the yellow ones are popping up, which are the rural municipalities. The directions we're working on, you can see it gives you directions to that place that you added, and you can turn that off. And then if you are indigenous or just like First Nations culture in general, you can look at the reserves. So Six Nations is here. These are all the same, but the maps are a bit different. We give them a purple pin, and these are nationwide, so we're having all the reserves. These are I believe the top 48, I believe we have right now. We're trying to get every single populated reserve in the country added. So we'll do that, and then you can check out your airport. If you have like a nearby airport, we're gonna we would like to give these accounts to the cities, to the reserves, to the airports, to the parks, so they can run them. And they will post about these airports. Like, they will post, oh, this is happening now at Toronto Pearson. And the national parks will be the same. Prices, maybe you could even get a park ticket here eventually one day. So yeah, and then here's the profile. This is my profile. I have some special settings which tells me how many users there are. But from here on down is where you would see. I don't think you wouldn't see the location, administration, and the platform dashboard, but you would see all these options here. You can buy verification, and this is cheaper than Meta Verified, by the way. And you can see our privacy policy terms, and you can translate it into French too if you'd like. So yeah, I'll also sign out and show you the sign up screen. Welcome back. Let's see if we can get the first page that shows up. Yes, we can. Here's the landing page, and it explains the whole website. So we'll just sign in for now. Yeah, I won't sign in because I don't want to show you my email address, but yeah,